Hello. Good afternoon, children. Let me ask you one thing. Are you attending the web classes regularly and sincerely? Do it. Okay. Today, I'm going to discuss 3 more questions from the Midnight Visitor, lesson 3 of the supplementary reader. Yesterday, I had discussed one question. Okay. Ready? Let's continue. The second question is, what is the significance of the balcony in the story, The Midnight Visitor? The question can be asked in the other way. What role does the balcony play in the story, The Midnight Visitor? It can be asked in this way. How does Osable outwit or get rid of Max, the other secret agent? So the question can be asked in 3 ways. What's the significance of the balcony in the story, The Midnight Visitor? What role the balcony play? What role does the balcony play in the story, The Midnight Visitor? How does Osable outwit or get rid of Max, the other secret agent? All these questions, all these 3 will have almost the same answer. Okay, let's discuss. Osable, a secret agent, wins over a critical situation by his presence of mind and intelligence. He finds another secret agent in his hotel room who is ready to shoot and take the report from him. The report is expected to arrive in half an hour. Within a few minutes, Osable concocts means devices, fabricates, or invents. You can say in any way. Osable invents a story, invents a balcony, or you can write Osable concocts a balcony, or you can say Osable devises a balcony, or Osable fabricate a balcony. A balcony should be in single inverted commas. Okay, you know why it is so? It is not a real balcony. That is why. So, Osable devices, invents, or fabricates, a balcony under his window and gives convincing explanations to make it real. Osable hits at the right time to compel Max to hide in the non-existing balcony. It's non-existing, N-O-N. Existing, that means not existing. It can be called a non-existing balcony. Non spelling N-O-N hyphen existing, E-X-I-S-T-I-N-G. Okay. He doesn't allow Max to check the authenticity of the balcony. Authenticity means whether it is real or not, whether it is existing or not. So he doesn't allow Max to check the authenticity of the balcony. He makes use of Henry's arrival. Henry's arrival is very, very important. So he makes use of Henry's arrival and tells him that the police has come to check on him. In excitement, Max jumps from the window and kills himself. Thus, Osable gets rid of his enemy without using any weapon or physical force and by using a balcony, a non-existing balcony. So the balcony plays an important role in getting rid of his enemy. Got it? Okay. So now, any problem? No? Okay, let's go to the next one. That's the third question from this lesson. Do not judge a person by his appearance, or appearances can be deceptive. Deceptive means false. False means fake. Yes. That means we should not judge a person by his appearance. Appearances can be false or fake. Justify this saying on the basis of the story, The Midnight Visitor. In the story, really the appearance of Oswald was entirely, unimpressive. That's why. So I'm going to repeat the question. Do not judge a person by his appearance, or appearances can be deceptive or false. Justify the saying on the basis of the story, The Midnight Visitor. Now the answer. There is a saying, do not judge by appearance. A rich heart may be under a poor coat. C-O-A-T, coat. A rich heart may be under a poor coat. Put this in inverted commas. Do not judge by appearance, comma, a rich heart may be under a poor coat. This saying is true with the story, The Midnight Visitor. Fowler, a young romantic writer, takes an appointment with a secret agent. But when he meets the secret agent, Oswald, he becomes disappointed to see the appearance of the man. The man does not fit into any description of a secret agent. The lazy, fatty, sloppy man does not impress him at all. Then the scene inside the secret agent's room, the scene inside Oswald's room scares him. An enemy spy with an automatic pistol in his hand threatens to shoot them both. He wants to take the secret report from Oswald. Oswald doesn't try to stop him or overpower him. On the contrary, he sits heavily on a chair and complains about a balcony. Fowler becomes stiff with fear. His death is near. But all of a sudden, he finds the enemy out of the way forever. Oswald kills the enemy simply by sitting on a chair. Fowler becomes highly impressed by the man's intelligence and practical wisdom. He finds Oswald dealing risky and horrible situation calmly and confidently. So we can say that we should not judge anybody by his mere appearance. Yes, this is more than enough. This is enough. Okay. Now there is one more question. With that we are going to finish the lesson and we'll start a new lesson tomorrow. Okay. So the last and the fourth and the last question. Both physical strength and intelligence are essential for a successful life. I'm telling you, physical strength and intelligence both are necessary for a successful life. Which of these qualities is the most essential in difficult situations? Which of these skills do you value the most? Explain with reference to the lesson, The Midnight Visitor. I'm repeating the question. Both physical strength and intelligence are essential for a successful life. Which of these qualities is the most essential in a difficult situation? Which of these skills do you value the most? Explain with reference to the lesson, The Midnight Visitor. In this question, two traits are given, two qualities are given, physical strength and intelligence. Which one do you think the most essential out of the two? Intelligence. Yes, really, intelligence. Let us discuss. Physical strength and intelligence both have their own importance. Both are required and are complementary to each other. Complementary माने पूरक है, एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल जुड़े रहते हैं. Physical strength may lead to might is right. That means injustice and violence and even bloodshed. Okay? Anybody can attain muscle power or physical strength by practicing. But everybody cannot be intelligent. Intelligence is a God-gifted skill. Intelligence is the driving force to success without violence and bloodshed. In the story, The Midnight Visitor, Ausable outwits his cunning enemy, Max. Max carries an automatic pistol in his hands and vows, VOWS promises, to take the report. Ausable remains calm, relaxed, and stress-free. Sitting on the chair, he drives his enemy to death. The irony is that the man dies with the pistol in his hand. Intelligence requires logic, understanding, creativity, planning, critical thinking, and problem solving. So we can say that intelligence is superior to physical strength. Yes, this way I'm going to finish up this chapter now. Tomorrow we will see again. Till then,